inside. I'm gonna have to clean that off. Painters had some paint marks there, and those marks were smaller, by the way, and I told them, I says, hey, you guys need to clean up, and here's a couple spots you need to do. And they were just white spots from the white paint that dripped through the plastic. They had plastic everything, and then the plastic got some holes in it. So what do you think they used? They used goof off. They used goof off. They wiped that on there, and what happens with goof off, if you use goof off on carpet a lot, you'll think, oh man, it took it off really nice. But then what happens, it leaves that residue once it dries. Whenever you walk on here, just the dirt from your shoe, when you walk on it, it's gonna act as a magnet, and you're gonna see the mark. It's all the way where you put your goof off, and they used it all the way. They rubbed it and rubbed it. The mark was, mind you, was just a little one. They could have done a little bit better job, but they faux-pawed it.